Everyone who drinks is not a poet. Some of us drink because we're not poets.
A real woman could stop you from drinking.
You have to be a real big woman.
Arthur, will you take my hand?
That would leave you with one.
In this universe, there's only one absolute. Everything freezes.
Welcome to another installment of the Budget Home Bartender. Today I'm going to go over a few hacks that will help you out. The first one is making large ice cubes for classic drinks such as the old-fashioned or whiskey sour. Now, what I've been using recently, the past month or so, is I have a large sphere ice mold that makes 4 spheres of ice, and I bought that off Amazon for about $12. And as you can see, it makes the perfect sphere. Now, this being the Budget Home Bartender, you may be saying to yourself, why would I want to spend $12 on an ice sphere mold? Well, the cheaper solution is to go to the grocery store and get sauce containers, such as this one. And as you can see, it makes the perfect large ice mold for your old-fashioned or your whiskey sour. I believe the ones I'm using for this are from Ziploc, and I bought a 3-pack or a 4-pack of them for about $4. They are definitely the cheaper alternative, and I used them for the longest time until I got my large ice molds. Perfect. Okay, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your own simple syrup. Trust me, this pays off in the long run because a regular bottle of simple syrup is around $3 to $4 in any grocery store. And for a box or a 5-pound bag of sugar, it'll definitely pay off in the long run. So my ratio is 2 cups of water to 1 cup of sugar. So now we're going to get our saucepan and add our water. And now we're going to add a cup of sugar. We're just going to pour that in there, and now we are going to go on over to the stove and cook this up. Alright, so what we want to do is slowly stir your water sugar concoction over high heat. Just be patient with it, just keep stirring. Okay, eventually the liquid becomes less cloudy as the granules start to break down. Still a little bit cloudy, so you just want to keep on stirring that. Once it starts to clear up, turn your heat down to low, but keep stirring. Now, when you see bubbles start to appear, like it's on the verge of boiling, go ahead and take it off the heat. You can stop stirring it and just set it off to the side so it can cool off. It should take about an hour or so. Okay, so now we're going to transfer it into my bottle here. This bottle I bought from the grocery store for $3.99. To me, it makes the perfect container for homemade simple syrup. And yeah, it works out great. So we can go ahead and cap that up there. nice strong seal on it. And as you can see, look how crystal clear that is. So yeah, it's perfect. Now, if you're trying to watch your weight or how much sugar you're taking in, a good alternative to simple syrup is liquid stevia. Now, this is not cheap. It's about $4 or $5 for a bottle that size, but it does taste good, though there is a little bit of bitterness in your drink when you're using stevia. But hey, health comes first, right? That's it, everyone. Hope these tutorials are helpful. Thanks for watching.